Hey, welcome back to another forecast video for the week. So we shall just immediately get into this. No time to waste. Yeah, last week. So hello guys, how you doing? What do you think about the correlating pairs? Yo, this week is crazy. Jesus. Yeah, seems like we're going to have many pairs to look at. We have to remove some of the choppy ones, yeah. Yeah, excuse me. I hope you enjoy those sightings and enjoy the music. So what do you guys think about remember the the prophet I told you about who sees things when they happened? Well, he did forecast the Trump winning his elections 5 years ago. Can you imagine? And it came to pass. Imagine you had placed that bet on poly markets like when immediately it was posted. That's crazy. It came to pass. Or imagine, just like before the Trump shooting, you had placed your bet because the ratings could have like just been low and then it shoots up. So again, just before like this month alone, I think, or the last 2 months, he's had two prophecies that have come to pass. The first prophecy being about an opposition figure here in Uganda that apparently would be kidnapped and or abducted, and indeed it happened. He was abducted in Kenya. That was Dr. Kiza Besige. So it's interesting to see these prophecies come to pass. It was that and Trump, that I've forgotten the latest, but those are part of the latest. So it's amazing. Imagine you use that in like your trading. And I think we can, because he releases prophecies about the markets too every beginning of the year. I can't wait. I'd love to see what he does about the world. Is someone asking, did he mention about the aliens? He actually did. Uh, that is yet to come in time, not now. It's a lot of interesting things, yeah. A lot of interesting things. So I'm removing some of the correlating pairs. There's a lot to trade this week, my goodness. Well, I don't know, should I call these Trump effects? You could. Yeah, we can see we may have a lot to trade this week. But it all happens for a reason, right? Just to filter out according to our game plan. Again, for those who wonder what criteria I use to select these pairs, you can always reach out to me via my mobile phone number. I've had a few people reach out. It will just have to get time for me to create time, and we follow through. Okay, I don't understand why it keeps pushing back up. Ugh, man. So I don't get why. I don't know. I hope my PC is not freezing. So it's only doing it on. Okay, I'll work on whatever that is. I don't know whether it's my touchpad, but I feel like it's a glitch. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that's it for now. So shall we just look into what we have selected? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So today we have 10 instead of it. Usually we have like 11 if we. So this time we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. We'll just go into this very fast and we start on the way. I love that most of these are really pairs we've already looked at. So I'll just minimize some of these and see what's the bias this week. What bias are we taking it with? The fact that it's under this level, I call for a sell, and as you can see, a sell is coming. There's no doubt about this. What will we do? That's my anticipation, literally. Do I want to look into the daily for this level? Not so much, really. I mean, it has been reacting, but I don't. You see? So that's my anticipation. I could put my sell order around here. I wouldn't want it to be tapped and then it goes back though. So again, I could even just sell, minimize my risk to reward my risk and increase my reward and see how it goes from there. Next trade. Again, just have to minimize that. What's my anticipation for this? I'm looking at this pullback. Let's just go to the weekly again. Yo, it's serious, especially the fact that we came all this far. Yeah, we look at that. Then we come back to the 4 hourly. It's retesting all that, but it came with a lot of momentum. I would love to see how it reacts to this level, or if it breaks. You see, this is my anticipation. First anticipation is that. Second would be this. That's what I'm looking at, nothing else. If it gave us something like this, an immediate fallback, then I'd want it to first retest and then continue to the downside. This, I already know what I'm looking for, literally. Same reactions, same anticipations. What we're looking at is how it retracts to this level. We're still keeping the analysis of last week, you see? Yeah. Yo, this pair is too choppy. Jesus, look at it. You see, the thing with choppy pairs is, first of all, it messes with your mindset too much in the movement. Like, it keeps moving around. You see, like, it's clear on the weekly and the daily, but then the time it takes to move around those places plays with your mind, man. And the fact that it looks like it has been ranging. Yo, for this, I'd want to see how it moves up to the levels, not even to this, to the levels. So with these levels, its reaction, how it reacts, or most especially I'd prefer this. I'll just have to use a brush. Where's the brush? Where's the brush? Yeah. For this to be a good setup. Okay, I'm just going to use this. Yeah. Love the eraser. Okay, now I'll just use this. Delete that. Delete the dot. Yeah. So that's what I would keep for anticipation, and yeah. Next pair, you can see it has already given us a reaction. Something we'd be looking for. Yeah, issue is it's under some of the all-time highs, but looks like it's still pushing to the upside, so something we can really anticipate and look for is will it reach that far? From the daily, we see how much we have to play with. As you can see, it shows us it would play from here around here, maybe this as well. So that when you come back to current day, see that because it has broken here, we could take this trade, but then my stops would be like around here, there. So I'll just turn this to gray. Yeah, I feel like gray will still confuse me, so that's it better. But after seeing the market open, how it plays out, that's a bit too far, but at least the rewarding level for this is enough, so it's good. Just to see how much we've gone halfway all our anticipated pairs. Okay, it's a choppy pair, Jesus. It's choppy. So for people who always ask me how how I mark out my charts. Here is an example. Start with the weekly, mark out my levels, but as you can see, this is the first time in a really long while. Let me even just check that. First time since July, August, July, that it's breaking out. So it must be really serious. And again, riots and elections make these kinds of moves happen. Turn that to orange. For the lines are for the daily and the 4 hour at least, and they help me to know from range to range where the markets will play from, so I don't over really think myself to get out of the trade or whatever. Yeah. So for this trade, anticipate a pullback first to this level, then to continue to take that trade. If it doesn't and pull back from these levels, yeah, I don't think I have anything to look at about this. It broke out already. I mean, you can look at it again. Oof, it has to. You see, the thing is, it's not feeling any weak, so I feel like it has to really come back and retest with it. It has to. Yeah, nah, it has to. No doubt. This is like it's the place that it's going to. Just love to mark out what levels we are going to with it. Excuse me. So there's this. So I anticipate a pullback. I'll use the daily. Anticipate a pullback to that level, to those levels, that area. So around here, major pullback, and then you can take that trade at good sell. That sell is going to be a good one. So again, what are we looking at? Reactions. We have not broken. We are still in that zone. Actually, we could say we did, but I just want to mark out this and see how it reacted while we were there. Yeah, exactly, as you can see, it came back, reacted and fell out. So I anticipate the same thing here. Matter of fact, I feel like it's going to be immediate. So yes, I write down my, excuse me, it's going to be immediate for a fallout. And then to test that level before it continues to break out here as well. Yeah. Sorry. I really wanna worship you, man. You and I. Okay, so these are the levels we're looking into, coming towards. But just before we get there, we have a lot of testings to do, like here. And yeah, the video is already really long, 22 minutes, but prices have to be paid, you get. And if you're following into this far, I appreciate you, whatever speed you may be following at. I appreciate you. Subscribe. Alright, so what I'm looking at is a continuation again. Beta retest. Yeah, continuation to maybe these first levels. Could take profit there or hold through to the downside, but that's really it. And then I think this is the last pair for the New Zealand Australian dollar. Oof. This has been a trending pair, so it's something good. It's good. Pairs that are moving are nice to trade, yeah. It's easier to predict, better market direction analysis, and it also means better reaction levels. I'm looking at the reaction levels. Yeah, so this is what we're seeing. Same. So this is what I see. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Those are our 10 pairs for the week. 25-minute video. Yeah, be blessed. Check out Prophet Elvis Mbonye. I'd love your thoughts on the man who sees the future before it happens. So as we like close, I've made an adjustment to one of my pairs for the 9. Now instead of the 10, yeah, 9. Removed one pair. I think that was Swiss francs card because you already have card Swiss francs, and card Swiss francs give a better looking to my buyers, yeah, and what type of trades I love to take. So this is it, 9 pairs on 24th of November, sorry. Jeez. Alright, be blessed. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe. Invite your folks to subscribe. Enjoy the video. Nice.